How to make a cold brew coffee. You do 1 cup of your favorite coffee. Pour that 1 cup of coffee into a container, preferably a 2-liter container. Alright, once you're done with that, you go ahead and add 3 bottles of water, which is the 3 16-ounce. And after that, you grab a spoon, you go ahead and stir it. Close it. And then put it in the fridge. Wait 24 hours. Alright, the 24 hours are up, so we go ahead and grab this. Put that there. Now we open it up. And now we have to stir it again. Really get in there. Just so you can move the beans from the bottom, because the grinds from the bottom, because that's where all the grinds are. Once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and skip the ones at the side. Now, tough part is filtering. Filtering the water from the beans. I have a little trick for that, since I already have this. All I am going to do is put a filter in like this. So yes, I have like a smaller coffee thing, but you know, it's going to filter it out good. This is clean. I went ahead and cleaned it out. And how you filter it out, you just go ahead, scoop that in with a ladle, and you pour. Scoop and pour. Once the coffee filter is just a little bit wet, you can go ahead and fix that. There you go. And now, there you go. You see, it's pouring in just like that. It's getting filtered. And you see, I've already filled this up once, and I had a bunch of coffee left over. So what I did, I grabbed a measuring cup, went ahead and this is going to get filled up all the way as well. So that way I can go ahead and wash this up and use this as my main coffee container. So I'm going to pour this and that into this after it gets washed up. Alright, now that this is washed and dried, all we got to do is just start pouring in our filtered coffee. And for a bonus, I already poured me a cup. Poured me a mug of coffee. And there you go. That's how you make cold brew coffee. When you're done with it, just go ahead and seal it up and put it back in the fridge. As simple as that. Now I gotta clean you